Well, hello, this is Joe Cutter. Today I'm going to show you how to color your hair at home. I know that in this time of the virus we are at home most of the time, so this is going to make it easier for you and give you a step-by-step program to follow. First thing we're going to do, we have our box color. As you notice, I'm in the kitchen, so you'll do the same thing in your kitchen. We have a box color, buy it at any store. We have the directions, which you should always read ahead of time. With the directions come plastic glove. Everything we need to do this at home. I already have a towel around my my patron. Now we're just going to mix it up very simply. Here is the bottle. The peroxide that comes with it is right here. I've read the directions so I know what I'm doing. I'm going to open it up. Combine the two. And as you go along, you'll find that it's not complicated. The hardest part of this task is applying to the hair. What I'm doing now, the mixing, is the second hardest part. Notice I just have that simple towel around her neck. That's fine. When I'm done with the product, I put it back in the bag. And let's move on. Let's put the top back on. Just having so much fun. I'm going to snap off the top, put that away in our kitchen. Shake it up really well, and look at what I have to do here. Now, I can do a couple of things differently, but I'm going to do it the way you or your friend would do it at home. Or, you know what? You can actually do it on yourself. So, it's all good. So, mixing it up really well. Kind of like mixing a cocktail. Tequila sunrise is coming. So here we go. Done. I have a little comb I can use. I'm going to separate the hair. Not going to get fancy. I'm just going to separate the hair into 4 spots, 4 quadrants. You can see what I'm doing here like this. Doesn't have to be perfect because it's all going to go in. We'll do it all together. Starting here in the front, 2 hands. One hand for the color application, the other hand for making sure it goes on the scalp. So it's 1 on the scalp. You can see where the roots are here. Now it doesn't matter if she has roots or doesn't have roots. If you're going to do a whole new color, we're doing blonde today, by the way. If she was a brunette, we could go through and do the whole thing and mush it all together at once. Now I'm going to go to the back. Watch. And see what I'm doing. See what my thumb is for? My thumb is for giving it pressure. There it is on the scalp. Let's use our thumb. Now I'm going to go to the side. You're going to see me do the side really fast. Use this to hold it up. That's 1. 2 to put it on. And 3 to go ahead with your thumb. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The object is to get that on the hair quickly because you want it to be an even color. So the quicker you go. Now let's pretend this hair is brown. Same thing. I do the same thing. Brown, blonde. And I'm not going to go crazy and try to use some color that I'm not sure of. This is going to be color that I've done her hair blonde for years, so it's not a problem. If she wanted to be a brunette today, we would be okay with that. If she wanted to be a redhead, or if she wanted to have an off color, we'd have to be a little more careful. This is basic color. Basic color is simple, money saving. It's going to look great when it's done. It's good for the condition of the hair. And everybody's going to be happy. You have to, whenever you color hair, you have to go in with confidence and you have to go in with happiness. Because if you don't, guess what? It's like cooking a meal in your kitchen. If you don't cook with a little bit of love and a little bit of attention and a little bit of happiness, the meal's not going to come out good, no matter how hard you try. So now we're going to go to the back. My model knows just what to do, so she's able to move on cue. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, It's like 3 simple steps. Does this sound confusing? If you have any questions about it, you know my Joe Cutter number. You can go ahead and email me. I'll answer anything. Look, listen, the virus has caused a lot of misconceptions about hairdressers, about what we do. Please, 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 if you decide to go back into the salon, wait a little bit. This is a very close profession. You're dealing with people in an area that might not work out. So this is the kitchen. This is what I'm recommending. And you know what? I don't want any hairdressers to get mad at me, but the point of this whole thing is to keep us all safe. And I know in the salon, it's a little easier. You have all the equipment in the salon, and we use a professional color. But guess what also? This color comes out, you'll see it, comes out beautiful. Did all the roots. Now I'm going to go and put the rest of it all over the head. And this is how I do it. I mush. That's what the glove is for. If you have 2 gloves, you use 2 gloves. I'm fine with 1. In fact, we're very thrifty. We're going to use the other glove to clean products in the house, to wipe down our counters and things. So we're good. See how I mush it through? If her hair was longer, I still have a little bit left. So if her hair was longer, I'd use every bit of it. I'm still going to have extra. Take the extra, just put it back in the box, throw that all away. This is all going to get thrown away. I have this is a conditioner to go on the hair after. I'm going to give it a mild shampoo when it's done. You'll see it's going to soap up. So now we have a 30-minute wait. So I'm going to turn off the camera and we'll come back again in time lapse. We're getting very fancy here. So that's it. Now your house temperature, you can put a cap over her head if you want. I'm going to leave it just like it is. Make sure you get the area along the front, because that's going to show. So she's going to be happier. This is going to work out for her. It's going to work out for us. And it's going to work out for you. If you're doing it on yourself, you're going to do the same thing. Just pull on, work it in, mush it in. Okay, we're back. We rinsed her hair in the sink. Just used the regular hose on it. And then we took a little bit of the conditioner that was left over, put that on, and we rinsed it out. We soaped it up, rinsed it. Very simple. Use an old towel. We took some old towels. This is the color we ended up with. Now we're going to blow it dry. I'm not going to do it on this particular film. I'm going to give her a quick haircut, blow it dry, and I will see you shortly. Thanks so much. Stay home. Stay safe. Do your hair coloring at home. It'll be fine for now. Good temporary fix before you go back to your stylist, okay? Hi, I'm back. I'm going to just show you the finished product. This is the color. It's what it came out like. Let's just turn around this way, Marianne. You can see the highlights. Very simple. Took me a few minutes. I blew it dry. And this is it. And I think you're going to love it. Marianne, thank you. You're an excellent model. We appreciate your help. If you guys have any questions, you know where to reach me.